This is the moment of truth for quantum computing stocks and Rigetti Computing, who is in the same sector. The stock was off 20+% to begin the week. I say the moment of truth because price is now at a level that suggests one can go long at the weekly buy level. Is this just hype, and has the hype ended? Or is the pullback an opportunity to get long for riches to come over the years? Before we analyze this weekly buy level at $8, let's actually get into the news. So shares of Rigetti Computing are down 22% Monday morning and have plummeted approximately 54% since Wednesday's open of last week. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang's and Meta's platform CEO Mark Zuckerberg recently comments have raised doubt about the near-term viability of quantum computing. Now, during Nvidia's Analyst Day, Huang suggested that practical quantum computers are still 15 to 30 years away, with 20 years being the most realistic timeframe for widespread adoption. Huang's remarks have prompted investors to reevaluate their expectations for the quantum computing sector, which had recently been viewed as a rapidly advancing field. As a result, some investors may shift their focus towards companies demonstrating measurable short-term progress or reliable application of quantum technology rather than speculative long-term potential. All right. So, as promised, we're going to look at this level in detail. I do want to point out another level. This gap, one doji candle. The gaps are considered extended range green candles in this case. So that would be a weekly buyer at $2, let's say, and 75 cents. All right, but we want to analyze this level here. Pre-market price would open a bit higher. All right, let's go down to the, before we get down to the daily, something caught my eye. Reason why I like this weekly buy level. If you extend the support resistance band, that weekly buy level just sits right below that band, meaning if price was to continue to collapse, this would serve as support. So you have I'll call it a level on top of a level. All right, as promised, let's go down to the daily chart. Now, when you go to the daily chart, I'm not in love with the price action that I see. There's a whole lot of trading in this zone, which tells me that there's really not an imbalance between buyers and sellers on a granular level. Or you can say that price already did pull back, right, to fill those remaining unfilled orders. So on the daily chart, these levels are not fresh. What I mean on the pullback, price went higher, pulled back to fill those unfilled remaining buy orders. So the question is, are there any more stocks, shares to fill? Only time will tell. Now, this would have been a lot better if it was down in this zone. This is a gap higher, gap and go, rally base rally on above average volume. All right, let's just go down one other level to the 4-hour chart. Okay, here you can see. So this is a bit clearer. You had this rally, basic candle rally out, taking out the pivot high to the left. Price pulls back into that zone, and then it's pretty much off to the races from there. So what's the trade setup? You need to see some type of reversal. However, according to the weekly chart, best levels would be down below. That would mean price retraced the level. Wow. 86%, 88% would be a fib retracement level. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this hype? Buying opportunity? Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.